Welcome to StockSync. Today, we'll guide you through the download URL connection method on step 1. Start by inputting the feed URL directly into the source URL field. Is your URL protected? Simply enable authentication. When activated, fields for login and password will appear. Fill them in accordingly. Before proceeding, click on Test Connection. This ensures a successful link between StockSync and your feed URL. Notice the File Format section. It's set to auto-detect by default. However, if your feed file format is unique or compressed, you'll need to manually select the appropriate format. Check the file encoding next. If your feed uses a different encoding than the default, adjust it here. If your feed file begins with a header, don't forget to turn on the first row as header option. Once you've made all the necessary selections, simply click next to continue.